Heatherfield is one of Glenview's most loved neighborhoods. Peaceful, beautifully landscaped, and perfectly located near everything you need. Your steps to Whole Foods, Starbucks, Techni Basin, and the shops at Heatherfield. It's the rare blend of nature and convenience. Welcome to 1791 Brush Hill Lane. If you're looking for comfort, location, and low-maintenance living, this townhome delivers. This home is immaculate, meticulously maintained, and move-in ready. And yes, it features a highly sought-after main-level primary suite. These homes are hard to find. Upstairs, you'll find a flexible loft plus 2 additional bedrooms. This outdoor space is simple, peaceful, and all yours. Reach out to schedule a private showing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for sneak peeks on what's coming soon.